In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to turn on and turn off the autoplay function on YouTube. You know how when you watch one video and then when the video finishes, YouTube starts playing another one. If this bothers you, I'm gonna show you how to stop it. Let's launch the YouTube app first. Now I want you to go ahead and click on the lower right corner at your small profile picture. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the gear icon at the upper right. Right over here in the settings, the fourth option in the menu is autoplay. Click on it. This is where you can simply turn this on and turn this off. The only downside is this is only working and controls the mobile phone and the tablets. This means that if you have a desktop or a laptop, the way how you actually turn on and off the autoplay is by simply from the player. When you play a video from YouTube from the player, next to the settings on the video itself for the quality or for the speed, there is a small play button that you can turn on and off, similar as this one. For more videos like this guys, subscribe and like this video.